and my brother and sister. Today I want to come and read for you about the little bit Bible. Okay, I think that this topic is we talking about already, but I should a little bit about more specific. This meaning about I want to come and read for you again. Before we reading about I read for you about the I think Matthew chapter 11 verse 25. But right now is that I want to read for you the Matthew chapter 13 verse 11. But different between little bit, the difference. Okay, this meaning about here is that I think about we had to learn about here is that talk about hiding the things from the wise and learning. But today is I want to give unto you topic is the knowledge of the secrets of the kingdom of heaven has been given to you. This is a difference between. Tininyane ero het katura bakal at the tholo the batasepo. Coplulo patinya or lopuquine limate serusito a sapo kissiyeni takwera le aloso at me, Pagatin matapa kutuera le Puakuthi do Puamaluta tipa. Basana kitininyane, pero malo bakarata mile katura name. I want to meet our takutu le jabamu takutu ni bagitera mala ta hilo le thulu wani mita le lo solo ta tagi taklu wani to senilo kudarani pero le papa page read for you about here is the Matthew chapter 13 verse 11. He replied, the knowledge of the secrets of the kingdom of heaven has been given to you. This means is the kingdom of secrets. Okay, knowledge of the secrets of the kingdom of heaven is have been given to you. Okay, here is the current language. Love pakanyo akloni awekwera di ilo takwe fawara sikole taki taklo page sikolo. When tevra la lima theso to sit the a support to sit on the tevra. Do awera sisata or siba agiri e muko bomu ata okutuni tahi thinya tulo mimi awethi pani tata hit thinya ba when a tata hit thinya ba weba. Mimi away theatre pani tati thinya ba. Mimi thu within it tahi thinya thu. Let us look up a thinya sikolo pain, but not to them. But not to them. This is okay. The knowledge of the secrets of the kingdom of heaven has been given to you, but not to them. This is remaining. Here is the related Bible is the Matthew chapter 11, verse 25. Talk about here little bit. I want to read for you here. At this time, Jesus says, "I praise you, Father." There's Jesus praying to his Father, Lord of heaven and earth, because you have hidden these things from the wise and learned and revealed them to little children. This is a little children we understand about that. I want to think yalo mera puta tir phala napa plaro la puta tir phalo nilo. I want to tebra le mate so to sit so kissiyani katura dilo. Agato penny Jesus siseta siweda munkuro hoko gasa pal besito paternalo agidi tarpa ne pa tarpa in the pakutu quilla pakuta theme do atusa atasa pa amenya do ma plato ola pussy the palo le awema plato la pussy the pa akunilo penny pekle quala lita 20 devra dele. Matthew chapter 16 here. Matthew chapter 16 verse 17 David adile. Pekle kwa payni lima the asado to sihu asapo The sin winning Tewada letter Matthew chapter 16 verse 17. Talk about here. Jesus replying, "Blessed are you, Simon, son of Jonas, for this was not revealed to you by man, but by my Father in heaven." When it by my Father in heaven, not by man. When it petinya sikolo patamupul sikolo. When it metala limate asad do to see who a support a sin winning. Tewe taitaclo de lo. Yesu to set out a siba or so simope so you now nambasugin nelo agidi tanya do tatuini the lopla bawelenawa me japa owele mukulo. When it lost all of the lupacanyon or colwa paid to sepo. When a devil for this was not revealed to you by man. Sit down and made out of pacanyon. When it quit out a tanya or tatui. When it picked a mala tagitaclone. I lost all of the pacanyon clor or colwaclo penilo. Penny quala limaco shadow. Pagidano mala limaco suddenly suppo. The citani deva polo munitimile paper glequa sepo. Mark chapter 4 verse 11 talk about a little bit here. Pagiteta malataita clocaita seponilo. He told them the secrets of the kingdom of God has been given to you, but to those on outside everything is set in parable. I want to begin on parable. I want to mimic look clear the pani. Katudala Takatudo, Mimit, Thither Pani, Bakala Ya Bomu Takutuni, Tadithina, Thulo, Davidani Mono, Basanaki Mimi Poatir Pala, Old Taklet Pani, Pagitemata, Katunola, Takatuduni, Agiclonilo, Pagitelo Pagno, Paclo Paclara, Virginia Thulomono, or when it Pacile Quaquat Sepo Lane, Casunia de Tony, Corala, 1 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 10, Davidadile. 1 Corinthians chapter 2 verse 10 but God has revealed it to us by his spirit. The spirit searches all things, even the deep thing of God. I want to begin mala kasaywa lo plado asala begin ma la tasoshi begin ma tala age panino. 1 Corinthians Katuda Agiclone, pay Pekeleco Quad Sepo, Tamata Theta Pala Poctaumopuno, lay Pagdana lay degree to a shadow key a sepo to sini, de plawara la taita clone, pay sicolo, a sepo to sini, devidadile, degree to a shadow key a sepo to sini. Basado Yolopla or le atada way, le poalo, a giddy, tane, hune takele, da you bacado, you are dalenilo, or when a patina la bacala, you are loplado ata, kelekasi, le pacagnon, tirpa alunilo. Pagdana mala, Casaya te lobalo bakuba kusiba, tetamila Casaya luba. Palo atusa atasha, no palo pokasayo akrinilo. The God doesn't want the people learning, or the God doesn't want people wiser. Only the God wanted the people like the children. You know that the children doesn't know nothing, but the God giving him the the kingdom of heaven secret. Let him know. Okay, here is I want to read for you the 1 John chapter 2 verse 27. Talk about 1 John chapter 2 verse 27. 27 talk about here. I want to read for you here. As for you, the anointed you resist from him remain in you, and you do not need anyone to teach you, but as his anointed teaching you about all things, and as the anointed is real, not counterfeit, just as it has taught you, remain in him. When a bacteria Patamwini, but a lot solo na not me ba, error doing Taita clone leather dinamo, but solo na tanonimi ba, Pagate mala tamata thir pala teninyai, le pasukomo or le pale or le pama or geclunilon. When a kissy hune devra dele. Pagate vada you are so key as a pokissy hune devra dele. Tadapa tak when it thilo qua le alone thu, Pagate ma pay no, pala alone thu a geclulo. Paydo Pagate ma le. Tamata, Dota imita si pala casada, Wesi panepoa, Tamu to you, Tanil patak when it through Pagina pala alone through a geclo. Pay no tapula to done la aweda daga, Owesu wele tupu, do tuki toki a lot of baweba, Panituki toki a lot of baweba, Meme data puni toki toki thilo takele agiclo, do me a meato, do the memba takablig blaba, di a toki theathone, o tu so well a pudiki, a one in Pagana so low to the middle part, the low solo to a one is that toki through tapu, Pagina tapu, a toki through. Pagitera madinimano. I want a patina sickle, targeted upon a sickle. I want a peculiar qualer, lucky to Tony. Away last one is the different thing here. Colossians, Colossians chapter 1 verse 26 talk about. Chapter 1 verse 26 talk about here a little bit. The mysteries that has been keep hiding from age and generation, but is now disclosed to the saint. I want to begin mala saint close to the same. Sorry, no. Let us look at Pathinya Sikola targeted para. Penny Pegitala Closse, Liglosse, Saluta, Subho, Kissihune, Teba Pomnit Mile. Deep Sitato, Takutula, Okutu, Asoso, Kaka. Basado kakane e devra kakane lo plat athala apasosita pa amenyani lo awe takutu le a lo plat athala apasosita pa amenya pagasita ne mukubamu age klo yabamu age klo takutu ne ta lo plat tilile pagdera mala pasosita pa amenyani lo leda no kota lo ne pala amaloda de pa pala Alera a ora taku theatre papuni, Kasayua, the law plot over, Bam no hula, what it upon taku the Kuba Artler Hunilo, Meme le pussy theatre pani, Kasayua, he or taku the, no Botenamata, Tapu or Leta Soshi, a Hutarone, a white the low malodava, Botinia Sikoni, no, a white the loto lodava, a white Botetamala, Aksana, Nokasara, any Tinya Pali, but error dead in the law. Matthew chapter 13 verse 11 talk about the knowledge of the secrets of the kingdom of heaven has been given to you. Okay, the God given to you. Okay, the kingdom of heaven secrets. The God given to you, my friends and my brother and sister. Remember that you will get exactly important to God. Later than you are the blessings by God. Thank you so much today. Okay, this meaning about the I talking ready, but this is a related Bible more to verse that's meaning about the, I want to come into read for you. I think that you will know exactly later then. God bless you all, my friends, my brother and sister. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. It's simply about 2 you don't put it funny, no? More sugar 2 the key.